Good afternoon, students. Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2.5, Topic The Happy Prince. Let us solve the question answers as per the passage pattern. Warm up exercise. Question number 1. There are different types of short stories. Use the dictionary internet and find out what each of the following type refers to. A. Fable, moral story with animal characters. Anecdote, a short interesting story of a real person. Fairy tale, story for children having supernatural characters like elves, fairies, dragons. Parable, a short story having religious base and a message or a moral. Tragedy, a very sad ending serious play. Humorous story, comic story which causes laughter. G. Detective story, story related to investigation and solving of a crime. Myth, story originated in ancient times. Question number 2. Discuss and write down 2 reasons why migratory birds migrate and return. Answer. Migratory birds migrate due to extreme weather conditions. Second, they also migrate for food and for warmth. Question number 3. Direct speech. Amar said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, Saket. In direct speech, Amar told Saket that he would go to meet him the next day. Note down the changes you observe in indirect speech. Answer. There are no inverted commas in indirect speech. The verb changes in indirect speech. There is a change in the adverb in indirect speech. The word that is added in indirect speech. Question number 1. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A.1. Simple factual activities. State whether the following sentences are true or false and write the correct answers for the false one. Everyone admired the statue of the Happy Prince. True. Second point, one night a little swallow flew over the city with his friends. False. Third point, the happy prince saw that the swallow was crying. False. Fourth point, the swallow felt sorry for the happy prince. True. Now see the correct answers are given for the false sentence. One night a little swallow flew alone over the city. And the third one, the swallow saw that the happy prince was crying. Complete the following. First point, the happy prince statue was located above the city. Second, the drops that fell on the swallow was the tears from the eyes of the happy prince. Third point, the swallow decided to stay under the statue of the happy prince at night because it was high up and so that there was plenty of fresh air. Fourth point, the prince was sad to see all the unhappiness of the city. Passage 1. Refer textbook pages 46 and 47. The passage started from the statue of the happy prince dash 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 and so I. Now see the first A1 we have done. Now let us move to the question A2, that is complex factual activities. First point, why did people admire the statue? People admired the statue of the happy prince as it was covered with gold, its eyes were bright blue jewels and a red jewel hung from its waist. Point, when did the happy prince realize all the suffering of his people? After his death, the happy prince was made into a statue and stood high above the city. He could then see all the unhappiness of his city, so happy prince then realized about the suffering of his people. Question number A3. Activities based on vocabulary. First point, find from the passage the homonyms of the following word. A. Weak, weak. B. There, there. C. See, see. D. Waste, waste. E. Not, not. Second point, use the word see and its homophones in a single sentence of your own. All the children and the adults like to see the sunset near the sea. A4. Activities based on contextual grammar. Write the following dialogues from the passage in indirect speech. Now, Who are you? Asked the bird. I am the happy prince. Then why are you crying? I am wet with your tears. The bird asked the happy prince who he was. When he replied, the bird asked why he was crying if he was the happy prince, and added that the bird was wet with his tears. Second point, pick out the finite and non-finite verbs in the following sentence. And he decided to fly away. Answer. Decided, finite verb. To fly, non-finite verb. A5. Personal response. Have you ever observed statues and admired them? Name some. I have admired statues which are artistic or tell us a story. For example, some of the statues of Shivaji are very well carved with all the details. Passage 1 is completed. Question number 2. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. First point. State whether the following sentences are true or false and correct the false ones. First point. The mother was working when the swallow brought the yellow jewel. False. The mother was sleeping when the swallow brought the yellow jewel. Second point. The woman was making a dress for the queen. False. The woman was making a dress for the queen's ladies. Complete the following. First one. The first gift from the happy prince was a great red jewel from his waist. Second point. The swallow felt warm because he had done a good thing. Passage number 2 is from textbook page number 47. Oh, said the swallow dash dash, the little swallow flew asleep. A2. Simple factual activities. Give reason. The mother was forced to ignore her ailing son. The mother was forced to ignore her ailing son as she did not have enough money to buy food and could only give him water from the river. Also, she was busy making a dress for one of the queen's ladies. She was so tired that she fell asleep. Second point. What was the first task given to the swallow? The happy prince asked the swallow to take the great red jewel from his waist and give it to a poor woman whose son was ill and hungry. This was the swallow's first task. Question number 3. Activity based on vocabulary. First point. Find from the passage the homophones of the following word. Read, read, through. Write down the noun forms of the following words. Poor, poverty, flew, flight, warm, ill, illness. In this manner, we have completed up till question number 3 of passage number 2. Next, we are going to see remaining questions of passage 2 in upcoming video. Write down these notes in your English CW book.